Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and let me today show you how to replace this green screen with some other image. The first thing we want to do is to click on our layer and right click on it and click Add Alpha Channel. Now we added a transparency to our layer. The next thing to do is to select over here Fuzzy Select tool, for example, and you can also go with the Select by Color if you want to select only the green color. But if you have a simple green color, I can just go over here, select with the fuzzy tool and hit delete on my keyboard. And you can see that we now have a transparent background. I will now drag another image to the layer over here below. And you can immediately see that we now have the image. I will use the move tool and move the image, for example, over here. Select none, and you can see that we now have our image replaced instead of our green screen. You can play with feathering and other things in our selection of green screen to further remove this green line, and you'll be fine. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.